In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 1password. We'll walk through creating your account, installing the browser extension, starting your trial, and securing your recovery details so you're set up safely from the start. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for 1password. On the official site, look for the option to create a new account and click it. You'll be asked to choose a plan. Pick the one that fits your needs, then select Try Free for 14 days. This trial lets you explore everything, and you'll enter a payment method shortly to keep the account active after the trial ends. You'll be prompted to add the browser extension, which makes saving and filling passwords quick and secure. Click Add Extension, and when the Chrome Web Store opens, click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. This adds the 1password icon to your browser so you can access your vault while you browse. Next, fill out the sign-up form. Enter your name and your email address and check the box beside Get emails from 1password. Continue by clicking Next. A verification code will be sent to your inbox. Retrieve that code, enter it on the site, and click Next to confirm your email. When prompted, click Next again to proceed. Now create your account password. This is the key that unlocks your 1password data, so make it strong and unique. Enter it, re-enter it to confirm, and click Next. To keep your trial active and your account ready, you'll add a payment method. Click Add a payment method, then enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, and select your region or country. Check the box that states I agree to pay the annual fee, so billing can begin after your 14-day trial. If you choose to continue, click subscribe and create account to finish setting up billing. You'll now generate your secret key, which works together with your password to protect your account. Click generate secret key, then download a backup by selecting save PDF. Store this PDF somewhere safe and offline. You'll need it to sign in on new devices and to recover access if you forget your password. Do not share it with anyone. Finally, click Next to wrap up the setup, and you're done. From here, you can start using the extension to save logins as you sign in to websites, and 1password will autofill them for you securely.